Hi guys! Welcome to an episode of Pentagon EV Equipment. So today we're gonna show you around this electric stacker. So this is a 2-ton capacity standard height stacker. So standard height means it's 3 meters high. Sa operating naman, if you're gonna operate this, ang kailangan nyo lang muna is to turn on the power outlet. So hihilain natin. After you hear a click, magta-turn on na siya. Nakikita nyo may button siya dito. This varies kasi hindi lahat ng models magkapareho. Pero yung iba may card pa, yung iba may password. Pero in this case, pindutin nyo lang on ng 2 times, magta-turn on na siya. Ayan. So if hindi, kailangan nyo lagyan ng password just like this. Pipindutin nyo lang yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan yung standard na password namin out of the factory. So pwede natin palitan yan in the future. Kung if you're someplace na ayaw nyo magamit na ibang tao, yun yung stacker. But most of the time, kung sa sariling company, hindi naman importante yung kanyang password. So ayan. After turning on, may kita nyo, ito yung battery levels niya and yung operating voltage niya. Kung gusto nyong paandarin, bababa nyo lang to, parang babaliin nyo. Ayan. So, this is how you control the direction where you're going. So, ayan, left. If gusto nyo umabante, meron siyang lever dito, just press front. Yan, abante na yan. So, if gusto nyo umatras, just press it down, and then, paatras na yan. So, if like for example, we're going left side, paatras, ila-left lang natin to, atras na siya left, or ira-right natin to, pupunta na siya sa right. And then, going front, just press it front, and then, dediretso na yung abante niya. We also have a horn para like to remind people, kasi yun nga, we're full electric, tahimik to kahit umaandar siya. So, meron tayong horn na, yan, to remind people we're at their back. So, parang siyang tunog ng motor, no? The buttons on the front naman, one of them is the first one. You can see there's an arrow up. So, pipindutin nyo lang siya. Aangat nyo yung inyong fork. So, ayan. And then, the other button on the top, there's a arrow down. Ibig sabihin, pababa yung fork. Control of this stacker is actually super simple. So, if you guys are interested in this item or any other of our item or equipments, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!